Well, first, let's see. There's so much I can say about our new president-elect, soon to be the president of the United States of America. I am so happy and so blessed to be American and to be an African-American, to witness something like this. I'm pretty sure in our lifetime, a lot of us never thought we'd see this. But this day has definitely come to pass. And all I can do is say, please, everybody, pray for him, pray for our nation, our country. He has a long and hard job ahead of him, but he's going to do it. So I can say, yes, we can. That's the man.
Good to have Barack in office. You know, it's a new year, time for change. Pray that he's going to do big things. You know, it's going to be a hard struggle, but like he said, yes, we can. He's going to need our support. You know, and it's the people's time to make a change. So pray that everything will work out, and we wish Barack the best.
It's a historical moment in our time. It's time for a change, and I think this is the new beginning. He's about to set the bar to another level that any president behind him will not feel. He's going to be the first and last of his kind. That's all I got to say.
Here to talk about Barack. Barack to me means a future for my kids, a future for our kids, I should say. Barack brings light to a somewhat dim future that I was seeing before. But now, when I look at this man on TV and what he means to so many people around the world, I see in myself that I can do things. My wife and I both can do things that was never thought of. No, but I think it's going to be a great day when he does get elected. I think a lot of people around the world are going to see just the black man in a different perspective, you know? And I hope it gives the black man strength. You know, I hope it gives us a backbone to move past all this. The white man's holding me down, because it's not the white man that's holding you down, it's yourself that holds you down. So I say when Barack's in there, we see him as a pillar of strength, and we take on a new meaning of being a strong black man. That's what Barack Obama means to me. Sean? What do you think? Oh yeah.
I'm just happy.
You're just happy?
Yes, I'm happy to be alive to see this day.
And I hope the black family brings back the Cosby era. More men stick with their family and kids. Bring us back. Even though there's more black American families than what they want to report. Word.
Word.
indicators of crisis, subject to data and statistics. Less measurable, but no less profound, is the sapping of confidence across our land. A nagging fear that America's decline is inevitable, that the next generation must perform its studies. Today, I say to you that the challenges we face are real. They are serious and they are many. They will not be met